Denise O'Connor here. Look at it. Just the outside has come along. Okay, so they have leveled it out, filled it up too. So I think the next step is gonna be sod because I'm noticing, well, let's see. See? Sprinkler head, yay. Okay, and then look, this side is xeriscaped, so we're good. In the hood. Let's go in. Waterproofed, very good. Ooh, ooh la la, look at that, beautiful. Although the first thing I am noticing, sees these little niches, these cutouts. I thought that that was supposed to be for this rail, but now I'm wondering. I will ask about that. Okay, let's start over here. Baseboards are in. Ooh. Oh, I don't know what I just stepped on. Look, so now we're getting the covers on all of the outlets. Those are in. Granite is in. Sink is in. Beautiful, nice and modern, nice and shiny. Still need the appliances. Let's look. Crawl space cover? Let's look at that. Okay, still need fixed doorknobs, right? Yep, definitely doorknobs. Let's see if the garage door is not here. Carpet is in the garage. Still need doorknobs. Oh, so the light is on down in the crawl space. Maybe they were working on that. Shelves are in. Ooh, toilet, light fixtures, sinks in, powder room. So yeah, baseboards are finished. Obviously something's happening. Ooh, carpet. I don't even think I noticed this. Okay, I'm gonna take off my shoes. Nice. This is, oh, I just want to see if it's completely carpeted. They must have just installed the carpet today. We've got some chirping alarms. Oh, I bet you what it's going to need is for us to just yank to get that connection with the battery. Let's look. Coming along. I don't see, still the sprinklers aren't in. Ooh, lighting. Countertops, granite, faucets are in, sinks are in. I think that toilet was in before. I'm gonna go ahead and close this. Very pretty. We need to talk about if you wanna do window coverings. If you want, I have someone, but okay, yep, sprinkler too. Another, we'll wait on that. I'm seeing some nicks. I don't know if you're seeing those, but we can get those touched up with the paint. Definitely no doorknobs. Yep, doorknobs are not on yet. Very nice. Completely carpeted. Completely carpeted. And they finished the tile in the primary bathroom and all of, okay, so you're missing, right. So there wasn't a window, there's no mirrors in all three of the bathrooms. Light fixtures in, sinks, faucets, and now the tile is complete in the primary. Looks good, huh? There we go. Where is that? They're all chirping at different times. There is the sprinkler head too. And then here's the other one that's chirping. Okay. Oh, here's another sprinkler head. Okay. Wow, it's coming along. So we are definitely under the 4 weeks till close. But it's looking good. I still want to ask about, I noticed the light fixtures above the counter. Beautiful. Look at the drop downs. The pendant lighting, isn't that cute? Very nice and modern. You have to be happy about that. Very good. Okay, so that's your video for this week. Oh, they already installed. Okay, so we're good with the thermostat there. Okay, I will chat with you soon. You take care. Bye.